Hello, in this video I want to show you all available lock screen gestures and motions in REALME Narzo 50 Pro. And to do this we'll need to open our settings, locate additional settings at the bottom, and here's the gestures and motions. We'll need to allow some permissions. Now let's check which of the options work on the lock screen. So on this device we have screen of gestures. That's the tab dedicated for all of the screen of gestures. I'm going to cover it at the end of the video. First let's go through the first page, and here we have swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and also touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. Let's see if that works on your lock screen. Obviously we'll need to wake up our phone like this, and then let's try to hold 3 fingers. But partial screenshot is not supported on lock screen, but this one should work fine. Next up is raise to wake, and now if we lock our phone and pick it up, it should wake up without touching any button. Lift to ear to answer call, and auto switch to receiver to also answer the calls. So if you receive any calls and you lift your phone to your ear, it should answer a call automatically, and if you choose if you're using any receiver, it should also automatically answer all the calls with it. And the last setting is flip to mute incoming calls. If you lock your phone and put it upside down like this, so it's screened to the table, it will mute all incoming calls. And on the top there's a screen of gestures. Let's check it out as well. We have double tap to wake up or turn off screen, and it works basically like that. So we double tap, it wakes up, double tap to lock, it works fine. Draw O to open camera, draw V to turn on flashlight, and also music controls. And now let's lock our phone, and I will show you all of these 3 features. So if you draw O, camera should pop open. If you draw V, flashlight should turn on, and if you draw V again, it will turn off. And music control works like this. You need to draw arrow to your right to play next track, draw arrow to the left to play previous track, draw pause to play or pause music. Now there's also this quick shortcuts, and all of them right here work the same way. You just change a function for it, and they have different pattern to make it work. So let's try the arrow pointing up, and if we click on it we can select the function like unlock phone, make a call for a specific person, or open app. And here I'm gonna go for open app, and let's go for YouTube. And now if we draw arrow pointing up, it should launch YouTube if you have your if you don't have any form of lock screen protection. But if you have, then you will need to give your pattern or pin to open this YouTube app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.